Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story repeating glitch. The first thing you will need to do is tap on Play Store, as I want you to go into your Play Store and check if your Instagram app is up to date. And if it is not up to date, I would recommend that you update it right now. But if it is up to date, as you can see, mine is up to date. You are going to close out of the Play Store after updating your app, and you're going to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to scroll down and select Apps. After selecting Apps, you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner, and from here you want to type in Instagram. Then you are going to select Instagram. After selecting Instagram, you are going to tap on Storage, and in the bottom left hand corner you are going to tap on Clear Data. After clearing data, you are going to tap on Force Stop in the bottom right hand corner. Now you will go back and you'll go into Instagram again, enter your login information, and the problem should be solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.